Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you what kind of materials I use for drawing these manga style watercolor illustrations. First of all, the outlines are usually made with a black waterproof ink before applying the paint. I use this kind of a nib pen for this. This one has a very sharp and thin nib, which is called the Manga pen. Yeah, I use it a lot, as you can see. There are also the G pens that I use. I will show you a bit later. I'm drawing the entire outlines with these waterproof ink first before applying any kind of a paint. Of course, you can do it with pencil as well, but yeah, I prefer ink. The main brush I use is this one. It's called the French aquarelle brush. It's very soft. So you can do gradients with it very smoothly, but it's also very precise. I basically use it for almost everything. These thin watercolor brushes I use for details or highlighting. They are also very soft and can make thin lines, but also blending. These are size 1 and 2. Yeah, I love them. They are kind of cute, don't you think? Yeah, well, back to the G pen I mentioned before. I recommend you to get such kind of a boxes because you will use a lot of them. They will wear out pretty fast if you draw a lot. Yeah, G pen is a little bit stronger than the Maru pen, but also very good. Yeah, now to the real stuff. This is my box of watercolor pens. I mostly use this limited amount of hues. On this white surface you can mix them or dilute to the color you need. You can basically mix every hue with these colors. I also use some tubes where the watercolor pigments are already mixed with water to this kind of a thick paint. You can simply squeeze them on the white cover lid and mix them from there. The texture of this paint is rather thick, so you definitely need some water later for making them squishy. Now my camera is blurring, sorry. Yeah, can you see a little bit about the texture of the paint and the density? Yeah, to be honest, I still prefer the pens, but yeah, let me demonstrate. If you mix the water, they will. Okay, it's a bit dry now. Yeah, if you mix them with the water, they will produce a kind of a rich color, which also blends very well. Compared to tubes, the pens give a bit lesser pigmented color, but if you take a lot of it with a brush, they basically give the same rich color as the tubes. Yeah, I hope my video was helpful to you. If you want to suggest me some topic or something for the next video, please write a comment. I also would be very glad if you support my YouTube by liking and subscribing. Yes, thank you very much. Take care, everyone, and see you next time. Bye bye.